Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to enter educator expenses in TurboTax. If you're an educator who has spent your own money on classroom supplies, you're not alone. Many teachers purchase items out of their own pockets to enhance their students' learning experience. Fortunately, there is a way to get some financial relief from these expenses through your tax return. Today, we'll be guiding you through the process of entering educator expenses in TurboTax, ensuring you can take advantage of this valuable deduction. To begin, once you're on your tax return dashboard in TurboTax, the first step is to click on the Federal tab. This tab is crucial because it directs you to the section that handles your federal tax return, including any adjustments that can potentially decrease your taxable income. Navigating through this section effectively is key to making sure you capture all possible deductions. After accessing the federal section, you will need to proceed by clicking on Deductions and Credits. Think of this area as the treasure chest of tax breaks available to you. Scroll down slowly and carefully to the section that says Your Tax Breaks. This is where all the categories of potential deductions are listed, including the ones specifically for teacher-educator expenses. Finding this category may take a moment, as there are numerous options, but don't rush. Once you locate it, click on Start to begin entering your information. At this point, TurboTax will ask you to verify your educator status. This verification is usually straightforward. It applies if you were employed as a K-12 teacher, instructor, counselor, principal, or aide at either a public or private school during the tax year. If you fit this description and have paid for classroom supplies without being reimbursed, you're likely eligible for this deduction. Remember, the critical factor here is that these were expenses you covered yourself and you haven't been compensated for them by your school or through a grant. Next, you'll see a screen prompting you to enter the total amount you spent on classroom supplies. This includes everyday essentials like notebooks, paper, art materials, and teaching aids, as well as certain books and equipment used in the classroom. It's important to exclude any expenses that were reimbursed. Only include the amount that came directly out of your pocket. For example, if you spent $150 on supplies and weren't reimbursed, simply enter $150 in the amount field. If you and another teacher share expenses, make sure to only input your personal share of the costs. Once you've entered the expenses, click Continue. TurboTax will save your information and automatically apply the educator expense deduction to your tax return. If your total expenses exceed the allowable limit for the year, don't stress. TurboTax will automatically adjust it to the maximum allowable amount and carry over the correct figure to your tax forms. You'll notice an immediate adjustment in your refund or balance due. Here's a quick tip. Always keep your receipts, order confirmations, and bank statements that detail your purchases and when they occurred. While you don't need to upload these documents into TurboTax, having them on hand is essential in case you ever need to substantiate your deduction. Additionally, ensure that all entries you make pertain to items used specifically for classroom activities and not for personal use. And that's all there is to it. Once you click Continue, you're done entering your educator expenses. By taking this step, you're not only helping to make your tax return more accurate and complete, but also acknowledging the real investment you make in your classroom, which can significantly reduce your taxable income. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to enter educator expenses in TurboTax quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to enter educator expenses in TurboTax, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.